The marvelous spatuletail, Lotogesia mirabilis, is an endangered species of hummingbird in the Brilliance tribe Helianthini in subfamily Lesbianae. It is endemic to northern Peru. The male marvelous spatuletail is 15 to 17 centimeters, 5.9 to 6.7 in long, including its 11 to 13 centimeters, 4.3 to 5.1 in tail. Females are 9 to 10 centimeters, 3.5 to 3.9 in long, with a 5 to 7 centimeters, 2.0 to 2.8 in tail. The male's signature feature is its two outer tail feathers with bare shafts that cross each other and end in large purplish black racquets or spatules. The remaining tail feathers are very short and are supported by two long undertail covers. The female's outer tail feathers are also long, but shorter than the male's, and do not have the racquets. Both sexes have a slightly decurved black bill and a white spot behind the eye. Males have mostly green upper parts with a blue crest and a brownish hindneck. Their gorget is glossy blue-green, and the rest of the underparts are white with a black line down the center. Females are also green above but do not have a crest or gorget. Their underparts are white without the male's black central line. The marvelous spatuletail is found only in a small area of northern Peru. Most records are from the valley of the Utcubamba River in Amazonas Department, with a few further east in the department of San Martin. It inhabits the edges of mature forests, secondary forests, and montane scrublands. It is partial to thickets of thorny rubus with alder, alnus. In elevation it ranges between 2,100 and 2,900 meters, 6,900 and 9,500 feet, though there are unconfirmed reports both higher and lower.